your hips tight, your back stiff, and getting up and down off the ground is harder than it used to be. You're about to see 4 ground sitting positions, which when used as a daily practice will improve your hip mobility and hopefully get you a 10 out of 10 on the sit and rise test from the last video. Starting the cross-legged position, which restores and maintains low back and hip function. When you've sat here comfortably for 5 minutes, you can try the other 3 positions. The 90-90 position is a great way of maintaining movement capacity and movement options. Stay in this position for 5 minutes, or as long as it's comfortable, and swap sides. The long sitting position will help keep your hamstring and calf tissue supple. Get creative and comfortable in the one leg up position. There are no wrong ways to sit on the ground. Variety is the goal. Keep practicing your sit and rise test as you get up and down from the ground. And remember, a 10 out of 10 on the sit and rise test can be an indication of a longer lifespan. These practices won't take any extra time out of your day. You're just replacing time that you would already be spending sitting in a chair with sitting on the ground. You can do this in one block or break it up incrementally throughout the day.